We are the first manufacturing site that have this full automatic line. We connect so many more things, everything from the data system to the automatic line to robots. And then we make quality analysis of what we are doing. And from that we can also feed back to design, what we can improve. Everything that will have a benefit will be connected. That you can do smarter, that you can do better, that you can do for a lower price.
The industry has been developing for centuries, and now is the new stage of the technology. With cellular IoT technology, you just need to put a device on your machine. On the point you need to get data. You have a very transparent system, visualize about every digit you have in the production. So you can understand the history data that will provide very precise maintenance that will save the workforce time. And you can also control the cost. By using the IoT and 5G technology in the industrial engineering, we can design our product better, we can manufacture our product better, we can serve the customer better.
We are absolutely in the forefront when it comes to using the new technology 5G. We are actually changing the world. It sounds very, very big to say like that, but we are. We can see a lot of change in how people are behaving and that people are using our technique that we actually was the first to provide.